From solidified moonbeams in ancient folklore, to lavish, bejeweled Art Nouveau jewelry, to the first landing on the moon, Rainbow Moonstone shimmers brightly with mystery, glamour, and excitement. At first glance, Rainbow Moonstone appears creamy white, but a closer look reveals iridescent, multicolored flashes. The colors range from brilliant blues and greens through the spectrum to yellows and reds. Deposits of moonstone occur around the world. This gem is mined in Australia, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, and India, as well as Madagascar, throughout Central Europe and Scandinavia, and is even found in Mexico and the United States. Ancient Romans held that moonstone was born from solidified rays of the moon. This shimmering gem was long associated with the Roman goddess of the moon, Luna, and her Greek counterpart, Selene. During the 1st century AD, famed author of antiquity Pliny the Elder popularized the notion that moonstone's colorful sparkle shifted and changed with the phases of the moon. In ancient times, moonstone was used primarily as an accent stone to add a small sparkle to jewelry. During the Art Nouveau and arts and crafts movement of the 20th century, however, it enjoyed a surge in popularity. Thanks to designers such as René Lalique and Louis Comfort Tiffany, moonstone became a glamorous focal in its own right. Rainbow Moonstone even found a place in the space race. During the 1960s, the United States and the Soviet Union were locked in a fierce competition to land people on the moon for the first time. When America pulled ahead with the Apollo 11 lunar landing, the state of Florida commemorated the achievement by adopting moonstone as the official state gem. Never mind that moonstone isn't naturally found in Florida or on the moon. This sparkling gem rode the wave of public interest in all things lunar and was hugely popular during the late 1960s and 1970s. Rainbow Moonstone is classified as a type of feldspar, a combination of two separate minerals, orthoclase and albite. Feldspars crystallize from liquid magma, which flows to the Earth's surface and cools. As the magma cools, the minerals separate into microscopic layers, which form a grid within the stone. These microscopic patterns diffract and scatter the light into the colorful spectrum moonstone is famous for. This phenomenon is called agilurescence, after Adularia, the name once used to refer to moonstone. Because of its cool blue play of color, Rainbow Moonstone pairs beautifully with silver, a metal also long associated with the moon. Its ethereal appearance lends itself perfectly to designs inspired by the element of air. Moonstone is often found in the form of beads and cabochons, but is also fashioned into faceted gems and crystal points for pendants. Moonstone can also be carved into fanciful shapes and figurines, the most common being the man in the moon. Although it is a hard stone, a 6 to a 6.5 on the Mohs scale of hardness, Rainbow Moonstone is prone to breaking. When used in jewelry designs, it is best to incorporate it into low-impact pieces, such as necklaces or pendants or earrings. When used in rings, it can be protected by setting the stone low. A bezel setting is also a good way to protect moonstone cabochons. Moonstone is an alternative birthstone to pearls and alexandrite for the month of June. In parts of the world, such as Germany and Scandinavia, it is actually preferred over these traditional stones. Whether you're wanting to add a bit of lunar magic to your designs, or you fancy the stone for purely aesthetic reasons, let Fire Mountain Gems and Beads' beautiful selection of Rainbow Moonstone light up your imagination. Incorporate the mystery, glamour, and excitement of moonstone into your next jewelry project. Look for Rainbow Moonstone and all your jewelry supplies at firemountaingems.com.